maneuvers shortly. And when she comes to do her final pass, I hope that she'll be able to end it in a zoom climb. That isn't what she's doing at the moment, I don't think. Interesting to note, people say that is more than 90 degrees at angle. Actually, it's not. It's part of a kind of barrel roll, or over barrel roll. It's keeping positive G on all the time. Just the bank, it's a wing over. Well, that's what we're saying anyway. I was saying earlier that Roy Chadwick, who designed the Lancaster, designed this aeroplane. He first drew this in 1946, and this aeroplane flew only 11 years after the Lancaster. Think what the Lancaster looks like. Standard Second World War bomber, 4 propellers. This thing flew 11 years later, and it looks like it might have come from a different planet. An utterly amazing man, Roy Chadwick, who died before he ever saw this aeroplane fly. He never saw it become the first operational Delta in service.